Hello, good people. How you doing? Welcome to Passionately Intrigued Hearts with Tracy. My granddaughter wants me to make a bigger bird feeder. You know, I made the little one and it's hanging up. She wants one to sit down low so that the squirrels and the birds can eat. Okay, so I've got this that I had three of these, two smaller ones and this one, and it had a mirror in it. It was given to me a couple years ago by my granddaughter. My daughter-in-law. Mirror broke, so I'm going to use this as a base. I'm going to use this as a base. And I'm going to use this. Sorry, I didn't mean to slam that down. So, what I'm going to try to do is, I took the screws out. I had all these little screws. And I'm going to paint this. I could use the other side, but I wanted to secure this. So, I'm going to try, I don't know how I'm going to find the holes. I don't know how I'm going to do that. I think there's one right here. If I can get a couple of those. Oh, that's what I can do. I can poke a hole in it and then find a hole to that base. That's what I can do. That's a pretty strong pie tin. Maybe I should have kept this for a pie. Okay, so I can sit that on there. That'll be one. So over here, how am I going to find the other ones though? Let's see. Looks like about right here. Let me put a hole right here, I think. Maybe a smaller. I don't know. I'll figure it out. Let's see. This hole right here. Let's see if I can match that up. Oh, I think it went in there. I don't have to have too many. If I can secure it on that side, you know what? Let's put the screws in. Let's put the screws in and see. Otherwise, I can use a glue gun, I guess, and glue this all the way around. But I thought I'd try it this way. We'll see. Let's see if I can get that in the hole. I know I can at least get one hole in. Maybe. Let's screw this one in. Okay, that's one secured. Did I line this one up right? I don't know. Let's screw it and see. I don't think I lined it up right. Maybe. Let me try it. Nope. Is it going in the hole? Nope, it's not. So where is that hole? It is right. I'm close. There it is. Let's screw this one in. I can't get it in there, y'all. There we go. Okay, that's two. Let me see if I can get one on the other side and secure it. Just one would be good. Oh, that's not lined up good, I'll tell you that. But that's okay. Let's see. There's a hole right about here. Maybe. Yep. Put one right here, and then that should be good enough. Got it in there. So next I'm going to take it outside and spray paint it. That's good enough. It's on there. Then I got to figure out a way to hang it, right? Oh, I'm going to use a piece of what do you call that? A wreath form, maybe. I'll figure it out as I go. All right, let's go outside. Okay, I hope I got a good angle of the camera. Am I recording? Let me just see. Am I? The sun is so bright out here. Yes, it's recording. Okay. So, I could have, almost knocked the camera down. Am I in the camera good? I could have used this side. But if it's hanging up, then that side's already painted. And I wanted to secure this, and it had these screws, so I'm using this side. So now I'm going to spray paint it. And then what I'll do, I'm going to spray paint this wreath form as well, because I'm going to attach this with some zip ties so that I can hang it up. And I got this blue Island Splash Satin Krylon Cover Max. Let me shake it up real good. Shake, shake, go shake, shake, go shake, shake, get up. Alrighty, let's get inside here first, I guess. Let's see how I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna oops, all around the inside first. And maybe I should have spray painted this before I attached it. But trial and error, you know. Trying to figure it out as I go. I think she's going to be happy with this big bird feeder. Or I can make it a bird bath. No, then I'd have to change the water. I'm not doing all that. Sorry, that's a little loud. Okay, got the inside. Let's make sure I get it all good. Get all the white spots. It's a pretty blue. One more little corner over here. Okay, now let's spray this inside. Let me wipe it down. And the sun will dry that right up. My goodness. It's 85 today. And windy. See my paint blowing everywhere. I'm just going to give it a light coat. Alright, we'll let that dry and I shall return. Oh, guess what? I'm back already because as this is drying, we can do this wreath form. Spray it blue as well. Okay, good enough. Let all that dry, and then I'll be back. Okay, it's good and dry. Ain't that a pretty color? I'm just going to take this wreath form that I cut out of a larger one and fit it on here and attach it with some zip ties. So I want to mark the spots that I want to attach. Let me grab a marker somewhere. Where are my markers? Hold on, y'all. Here I come, here I come. So I'm going to attach it where these crossbars are. So I guess, do I do it on each side? Yeah, dot here, dot here, dot here, dot here. Dot here, dot here. Dot here, dot here. You see that very good. Then I'm gonna put some holes in this with a hole punch, or actually this is a belt punch. Let's see how this works. Let's put it on. That's a decent size. No, I'm gonna do it smaller. Let's do this one. Put a couple holes in here. See if this works. I hope. What am I doing? Maybe, maybe not. Why is it not punching through? What's going on? Maybe it's too hard. I don't know. Might have to use a screwdriver. I thought this would make it easy. Don't look like it. So, let's see. I just punched some holes. Oh, it almost did. Let me see. I put a hole in there and one right there. I just gotta punch the holes out. Oh, that's cool. That helps. Here. Let me go all the way around and then I'll punch them out. I only put one marking right there. I didn't put two. And this one. Then I'll go around and punch these holes out. Yeah, this is for leather. Punch holes in leather. If you need a extra size in your belt. Anywho, let me punch these out. Did I not do that one? Obviously not. Thought I did. Okay. Now let me set this up here and line it up with these holes. That fits perfectly in this large pie pan. And I got some zip ties. I got black and red. Am I gonna have to spray paint this thing again? Let's try the black ones. Will look better than the red. Okay, how are we gonna do this? I'm gonna go in from down here, underneath. Go underneath, I think. Get in there. Come up and go down. See if I put it in there right. Let me try and close it up. Let me see if a lot of times I put it on backwards. See if this is the right way. These are kind of small. And they're from the Dollar Tree, so I hope they work. I could fit it in the hole. Okay, I put it in there right. So I'm not going to tighten it all the way yet. Let me just go around and put these in. Okay, two more. Do y'all talk to y'all work too? Do y'all talk to your projects? As long as they don't answer back, I'm good. Okay, Dollar Tree zip ties, they working pretty good. I only need one more. Let me put these back. Okay, I'm gonna tighten them all up now. And then let me grab some scissors and cut these ends off. Look at there. So I'm just gonna cut them flush. Okay, that's good. Now what I'm going to use to hang this up is this basket from the Dollar Tree. I'm going to take the chain off and use this chain. So it just has some clamps that are attached right here. And I'm just going to take them off of here and put them onto that wreath wire frame cutout. And I'm not going to spray paint this blue. Keep it black. And then I'm sure I can use this basket for something else another time. Oh, it's wrapped up. Let me unwrap it. Now, let me see if I can do this and hang them evenly. We'll start with one. Maybe. A little tough too. They're kind of strong to come from a Dollar Tree. Okay, that's one. So we wanted two. Maybe right here. Yeah, every other one. So I'm skipping one and I'm going to put it in this one. If I can keep it open to get on here. Oh, that thing's strong. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Or am I weak? I am not weak. Chill. It's awkward. That's what it is. It's awkward. Come on. Oh boy. This one's giving me a tough time. Man. Okay. Let me go underneath. There we go. Whew. Now one more, and I skip one and go right here. That's loud. I'm so sorry, y'all. And go underneath. It's easier. I believe that was the case. Yeah, see how easy that was? And look at there. A hot dog. That was quick and easy. I got a bag of bird seeds. Let's fill this up. And then I got some peanuts too that I put in here. The squirrels seem to like the peanuts, but I think where I'm going to hang it, it might just be for birds. We're going to see. Okay. I am done. How you like that? I think it's cute. I think it's cute. So, I'll take you outside and show you where and how I'm going to hang this up. Almost forgot. I'm not done. I'm not done yet. You know I'm extra. And I almost forgot about my extra till I saw them sitting over there. I got flowers. Ooh, beautiful flowers. So I'm going to cut them off with my wire cutters. I don't know how many I'm going to use. Let's get them cut off first. And these are flowers from the good old Dollar Tree. So what I'm going to do is on this outside part, put some flowers. Let's turn it over on the bottom. Put a good little glob of glue. I don't think my gun's hot enough here. Here it comes. Good little glob of glue. And I'm going to paste it on each one of these corners. These little points, hopefully. I'll do that first. I'll do the points first and see if I'm going to add any more. I could have cut that down a little further. Nice little blob. Let's do this pointy corner right here. So there was 4 points sticking out far, and then there's these other ones that set in, so I'm going to put some there as well. Cut this down a little bit more. Ouch! Sorry. Try to glue myself to the doggone bird feeder. My thumb. Okay. Cut some more flowers off. Be careful with your hot glue gun. And I love this one, this Sure Bonder, because it has this tip. And you can get into little bitty spaces. If you need to. And I like using these beautiful colored silk flowers out in the yard along with my other flowers. They blend in so well and they look beautiful. Although these are blue. Are there really any natural? Yeah, there's natural blue flowers out there. Maybe not this color blue though. I don't know. Okay. How about that? Stick a little greenery in there. I don't waste anything. You should know that by now. Put that in there. Stick them in here randomly. Almost done, y'all. Just a little extra added. Just a little extra. Instead of being just blue flowers, you know, they gotta have their leaves. Ow, man. I am not paying attention. You know what? I need my little piece of paper. You know, I tell you, use a piece of paper to hold your items down when you're gluing so that you don't glue your doggone hand. Hold it with the cardboard. Piece of paper, piece of material, something. Cardstock, anything so that you don't burn yourself. Practice what you preach, right? Tracy, practice what you preach. Sheesh. There we go. And I'm putting some up on top and some on the bottom, just scattering them a little bit up and down where I see little open spots, because I don't want to put any more flowers on here. So I'm gluing some of them to this pie pan. There we go. Now I'm done. Other than hanging it up outside, let me fish this out of the seeds. There we go. How about that? Oh, slow down, slow down, slow down, slow down, slow down. Beautiful, beautiful. All right, we'll take her outside and hang her up. So first I'm gonna show you the disaster before I show you the new one. So, my granddaughter's ideal. Those are the tops to the pie pins. So, pie pins. I said pie pin, pie tins. And so she wanted water in that one, but I'm not gonna keep changing water for no birds and squirrels. And then we had this chair set up with a brick, with this, and them aminos. So I had seeds in there. You see, they all on the ground. I had that brick sitting here. How they knocked that over, I don't know. I don't know. But anyway, I'm gonna get rid of that, throw that stuff away. Now let me take you over to what I set up for her. She'll be happy when she gets here tomorrow. So I put it over here. Oh, y'all like my little chair set up? That's an old ass table top. I wasn't gonna show y'all that right now. I'm gonna paint them chairs and set that on there for some plants and flowers. But look, I put one of those things up, and there it is. Squirrels will probably get to that too, I guess. I was gonna put some peanuts in it, but I'm not right now. So thank you for watching. I appreciate you. Have a wonderful day, and peace and love. We'll see you next time. Enjoy the rest of your day. Love ya.